Hi there, it's me. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some moist, delicious banana bread. This is my absolute favorite thing to make when I have overripe bananas. So let's just get right into it. I have an old favorite recipe that I'm gonna be using today. It makes the best banana bread ever. You can also find the recipe in the description below. The first thing that we're gonna do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to want to grease and flour a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. I like to use cooking spray and then I just lightly dust it with some flour, get all the sides, get all around it nice and coated. Next, in a large bowl, mash up your bananas. I'm using 3 ripe bananas for this recipe. You can use more if you want a stronger banana flavor. Next, add in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Get that all mixed up. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix up our dry ingredients. We have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can add more if you want. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Get all those spices mixed in really well. Now we're going to slowly add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Do not over mix. I like to use a rubber spatula to get all the way down in there and make sure that everything is evenly mixed. Next, pour your batter into your prepared loaf pan and spread it out evenly. We are going to want to bake this for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. I like to do a little wiggle test just to make sure that it is not moving around too much in the pan. If it is, I'll adjust the pan and then we'll put it back in the oven. While our banana bread is baking, we're going to go ahead and make the glaze. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix until the butter has melted and the powdered sugar has mostly dissolved. I don't want to mess up our beautiful banana bread, so we're going to let it cool down a little bit, and once it's cooled, then remove it from the pan and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Once it's completely cooled, you can go ahead and pour your glaze on top and you're done. Look at that beauty. Moist, delicious banana bread. I promise you're gonna love it.